If I shoot this way, am I gonna screw you up?
What do we aim at? We need like 2 people watching this there.
Guys, there are way too many people up here.
So Amish and I are standing in this room. We planned originally just to be the 2 of us and maybe 1 other person up here, not 6 other kids. You only see 5 in here right now. But the little kid in that little maroon hat right there at the bottom right, he invites his own little friend in.
More people get downstairs.
Aha, there he is.
Guys, more people get downstairs.
Hey, I'm sitting here because if people start to come up, I'll throw my grenade down.
I think at this point Amish is just getting tired of people and is just tired of trying to coordinate where people should go.
How's the teammate? You're good.
Like this?
Watch stairs. What are you guys doing? We are. There's a ton of people sitting here.
Let's go somewhere else.
Okay.
Why did you guys do this?
I can provide light.
Guys, start going downstairs. Start funneling down.
That is what you think it is. It is a yellow chicken, the one that makes the noise. And the man who threw that, he says he uses it as a distraction. And it works. It distracted me.
What? I mean, you want to go in there?
Sure.
Oh, there's someone in there too. Spread them out the window. Move up! Big bus, big bus, big bus! Someone in there.
There's so many fucking people.
Guys, what are we doing?
Let the person with the pistol.
So right now there's about 3 guys sitting in a little corner that should just hold maybe 1 guy letting other people go first.
Let's go first.
What's over the rear? Why are we doing this?
This is
There's so many people.
There's so many people.
There's literally like a whole freaking orgy going on in here.
Hang on.
Hang on.
There's so many people in here. There has to be like 10 people. And right now I'm taking a photo of a person sitting on a toilet. It should be popping up.
I got it.
Oh, my God. Oh, wait, you guys need to play Airsoft?
No. I'm here to take a
Good.
chill.
You're good.
Got yourself something?
The bathroom's free, by the way. Hey, you want to send that to me?
Sorry, man.
Hey, y'all, get in.
Oh,
Yeah, I got the light for us.
Oh, wait, no. I can get it again. Come on.
Hang on.
Just sit on my lap.
Oh, what the hell?
You can't even see me.
There you go.
Hi!
All right, let's go kill people.
Yeah!
So Amish and I, we have this song that we really like, and so here it is. That's what I was looking at.
Move, go. What?
Perfect. Red, second story.
Yes, sir. Red, second story.
E4 shoot some beef. Oh, way down south in the land of traitors, rattlesnakes and alligators. Right away, come away, right away, come away. Where cotton's king and men are chattels, Union boys will win the battles. Right away, come away, right away, come away. We'll all go down to Dixie, away, away. Each Dixie boy must understand that he must mind his Uncle Sam. Away, away. We'll all go down to Dixie, away, away. We'll all go down to Dixie. Way down south in the land of traitors, rattlesnakes and alligators. Right away, come away, right away, come away. Where cotton's king and men are chattels, Union boys will win the battles. Right away, come away, right away, come away. We'll all go down to Dixie. away.